This is the Closet Jedi again, reviewing another Star Wars action figure. This time we're reviewing Star Wars Vintage Collection, Return of the Jedi, Princess Leia and Sandstorm outfit. This is part of the deleted scene wave. You can see that it has a Star Wars Return of the Jedi logo. Princess Leia's Sandstorm outfit. Has an artist rendering of Princess Leia in the outfit. Here's the view of the action figure inside its case. Has the vintage Kenner logo. This is VC88. Celebrate the legendary Star Wars saga that changed the universe forever. Below that we have other action figures that are part of the deleted scenes wave. Luke Skywalker lightsaber construction. Colonel Kraken, Millennium Falcon crew. Rebel pilot Mon Calamari. Princess Leia Sandstorm outfit. And Lando Calrissian Sandstorm outfit. It's part of the Star Wars Vintage Collection. Below that there's also some pictures of other action figures in the Star Wars Vintage Collection.